Hello everyone, myself Shobhit Pant, a second year student of Production and Industrial Engineering at NIT Kurukshetra. Recently, I have completed my summer internship at BIS Central Laboratory Sahibabad in the mechanical department at the metal section. In this video, I'll show you some testing and share my experience. But before that, let's take a quick snap at our BIS Central Laboratory. Let's begin with the testing. It is universal testing machine. It measures the ultimate tensile strength. It has two units. It is load unit and this is control unit. For tensile yield strength, the test piece is fixed between the jaws and pulled in the breaking point. Now let's come to control units. Control unit, we have two needles. This is working needle and the other one is dummy needle. The working needle shows deflection with the applied load. This handle is used to select the range. There are two more hand wheels. This is release hand wheel and other is load hand wheel. And the applied force, we get the graph here. The graph is between load and deflection.
It is our tensile specimen. The tensile specimen is fixed between the upper and lower jaws. The jaws are hit by the hammer to enhance gripping. After tensile testing, we perform flattening test at UTM. The dimensions of the welded metal strip, including the outside diameter and wall thickness, are first measured using vernier caliper. The specimen is then compressed between flat plates on UTM to specified flattening distance and inspected for cracks. The distance is measured with the help of calipers. Now we perform bend test at UTM. In bend test, using a mantle of specified diameter, the metal specimen is bent to a required angle to assess its ductility and resistance to cracking. After bending, the specimen is inspected for cracks on the outer surface. The test is performed as per IS 1599. After bending, here is our specimen.
This is ISOT Charpy impact testing machine. It measures the toughness of material and the energy absorbed by the material during fracture. Let's take a overview at our machine. There are two levers. This is to switch between ISOT and Charpy, and this is to release our pendulum. This is our pendulum. The specimen is kept here. This needle shows the reading at which the hammer will hit our specimen, and this needle will show us the reading or the toughness. There are two tests, ISOT and Charpy. In Charpy test, as mentioned in IS 1757, the specimen is kept horizontal with the notch opposite to the hammer. As ISOT test, as mentioned in IS 1598,
Our specimen is kept vertical for ISOT testing. At BIS, we performed the hydraulic burst test on an LPG welded cylinder as per IS 3196 Part 3. The cylinder is filled with water and pressurized until bursting to determine its maximum pressure capacity and ensure compliance with safety standards. The cylinder is subjected to repeated pressure cycles to evaluate its resistance to fatigue and ensure long-term safe operation.
चल रहा है 7000 हो गई साइकिल. इस पे कई कंडीशन है. इस पे लीकेज नहीं होना चाहिए, डिस्ट्रक्शन नहीं होना चाहिए, इसका टेम्परेचर 50 डिग्री से ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए और फ्रीक्वेंसी 15 साइकिल पर मिनट से ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए.
Fire extinguisher test is performed to verify the extinguisher's safety, pressure integrity, and discharge performance as per BIS standards.